In Powys and across the world, women and girls are unable to live the lives that they want to lead because of violence and fear of violence and harassment.
We live in a world where this is normalised and even encouraged in some situations.
I'm a white ribbon ambassador because I want there to be change, and I know that as an individual, and especially as a man, I can make a difference by speaking out.
Everyone in this steering group is a volunteer, made up of officers and elected members, both male and female. And by working together, we aim to prevent violence against women and girls.
This is an opportunity for all of us and our colleagues to stand up to men's violence against women and girls and show a united front.
We are inviting our colleagues and our partner organisations to make a commitment to ending violence against women and girls.